One Don gang trial, reputed leader only made money from music, female defendant told police. The female defendant in the Klansman One Don gang trial was today heard telling cronies that she tried to throw off the police's investigation by telling cops that the alleged leader made his money from music. The so-called pastor, based in St. Thomas, also told alleged gang members that she indicated to the cops that she did not know reputed leader Andre Blackman Bryan to be a member of any gang. The tough-talking, foul-mouthed Stephanie Christie, who was described as a close ally of Blackman, during one of the secretly recorded conversations, told Bryan that a superintendent of police had questioned her. She also indicated that one of the investigators had warned her that she would be slapped with anti-gang charges if she lied to the police. Christie, who is referred to as Mumma in the gang, assured Bryan that she told the police that whatever she said he would find out that it was the truth. True moi me fight tell lie, me know nothing about the man, she said while on a call with Blackman, the gang's alleged second.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Country gal, country boss, nuclear, all of the boss them 306. WhatsApp group. Yo, this lady Mumma Christie, the pastor woman here from St. Thomas. Our dangerous woman, you know. Me hear them say, cause in the clip where I come, she a tell the news media say, she a tell the second in command, which a city post. But yo, let me tell you something. And the city post are the second in command. Yo, and not even Blackman around One Don gang and the new Klansman then. And Mumma Christie, yo, she a work with the police. She a work with the people them in our neighborhood. She a get rid of the other set of man them a use the police. If you get rid of that, yo, me a laugh, but it's a serious thing. This lady and she use a church as a cover. Yo, me never see nothing like this in my life. Yo, listen to the rest of the clip and me I go jump back in and talk. Cause yo, me didn't want make the news thing clear, but Mumma Christie as she are the Don in a One Don gang. Let's go.
Alleged second in command True moi me fight tell lie, me know nothing about the man, and the ex-gangster who recorded the conversation.
No, she a talk to City Post and the Blackman and the informer, the ex-gangster. I just now she said, them want me to tell lie. And she explained herself. So let's go.
On the call, she told them that the police had asked her if she had seen people visiting Blackman and doing exchanges or if she had ever collected any extortion money for him. Me say the man never send me fi no money yet, and if ya investigation, and if nobody tell you say me come collect money from dem fighty man, a music him do and me no ade sue him get money, she said. Yeah man, me talk up to things dem, Christie said in the conversation, noting though that the police did not believe her. According to her, she insisted to the police that even though she and Bryan, were pairs, she did not know anything about Blackman and that he did not give her anything. In the conversation, Blackman then mentioned that he heard the police were asking about him having an Audi motor vehicle, to which Christie said she told the cops that it was not true. She said she told the police that Bryan did not buy any Audi or any other cars and put them in her name. Me say why the man a go buy car and don't buy a house.
So now, I want to follow this. She talked to Blackman and she say, yo, the inspector come talk to me and say, yo, when I buy things put in my name and Una do this, una gangster, una extort. And she said, no, him not have nothing in my name. And a music him do to make some money. And she say a music Blackman do. No, Blackman said to her, say him hears the police are saying by Hardy. So she said to him, me tell him say, oh, I go buy big car and him not have nowhere to live yet. So that girl yeah, I shouldn't call her girl, cause big woman. The past that woman yeah, yo, remember me tell you, she wickeder than cocaine godmother. The woman from Colombia where they there Miami and run the thing back in the 80s and I feed everybody shower pass and everything. The lady I wear two face under one hat, as my mother said. Yo, let's go. Me never did want to go through the whole thing here and analyze it, but me I analyze it as it go along, cause me I listen this in a real time. Let's go. We're not done yet. I have the rest of it to listen to.
Earlier during the call, Blackman, who was behind bars, was heard assuring his alleged cronies that he was looking forward to coming home. Christie assured him he was going to be released as the police had nothing concrete on him. She also told him that she had found a house for him in a nice little gated community and had sent all the information pertaining to the rental as well as a picture of the house to City Puss. No too chatty, Blackman said to Christie, who replied, no man it up, no man fi real. She then told him to stay strong until he was freed. Me I tell ya say I done. Blackman replied confidently.
Now, when you listen to the rest of that, she tell him to listen. But find a little place in our gated community where you can live and it's not too chatty. And she tell him say yo, in a bus in case, you understand? And the police them also tell her say if you harbor the brother yeah, you go get charged and bad things are gonna happen to you. Now she not play now. Cause what she do? She play the police them and she play Blackman them. But the police them end up smarter than her cause them get an inside witness. And when we really think about that case as a matter of fact, me I tell you now, if you don't like what me I do, remember to share this video, like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification button, and tell people about it. Make sure to subscribe. But let's get back to what I was saying. When you really think about this thing and this case the Blackman case, it's there all over the world, and people are commenting on it in Reuters news agency. I think CNN have it, Al Jazeera, other crime blogs that does stuff all over the world. But most of all, what people are talking about is the president that this is setting in the Caribbean. And what Jamaica has done, it's really phenomenal. It's a iconic move when they bring 50 gang members and end up charge 33 of them and revealing all these things about the gang and how them operate. Oh, anybody we are build house in the area, the man them, I go to the man them and I say, yo, you have to hire these people, you only can hire 2 man, everybody else have to come from Yasso. And so that's how the extortion work. But one of the things is the amount of money they're getting is so small. But me know what, say me I teach man them how to extort. But me I talk about extortion and the right and the wrong way to do extortion in another video. And but the thing that they were doing, it's the outcome in terms of the violence them produce is so crazy, and the money was so small, and it's not even worth it. Cause when you do extortion, you don't do it like that. But back to Mumma Christie, she is the backbone of this one Dan gang, and she read Klansman, I mean one Dan, maybe a Blackman, Andre Bryant, him really listen to her, and the man them listen to her, and she make them know, say straight up, police are come check me, and me I work with police too, cause me I clean up the neighborhood, and me cause you come home, and when you come home, everything are ready for you. And she was stating she know like coward, she a clean up the neighborhood, she a look for the place for him, she knows everything. So City Post is not the second in command. So like I said, City Post is not the second in command. Is this lady Mumma Christie, and she run everything for one Dan gang. She do all of the logistics. She all clean up the neighborhood. She do all sort of things for them. So it's kind of sad and crazy, and yeah, that's what it is. It's sad, but the Jamaican police are do a good job. Yo, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. And I'm Countryman, and I'm out.